What are you doing here?
Look, fella, I understand last week did not go as we wanted it to.
Really?
There was no doubloons. But there is gold at the end of this tunnel. Because guess what? I talked to the higher powers and I got ourselves a tag team match against Blake and Little Mad. And listen to me. If we win this tag team match, me and you and Blake are going to be in a triple threat MWE championship match. GCA title match for the GCA championship in a GCA triple threat title match. We're gonna win this match, fella, and we're gonna get a GCA triple threat tag team.
Oh my gosh, Little Matt and Blake. They are just taking the fight right to Orm and Donny. Orm and Donny. Oh, Orm just sent into the tree. The GCA champion Blake is just trying to take him out. Oh, before this match even starts. Stomach first of Orm. This tag team match will begin momentarily. Oh, Donny with a clothesline. And now another punch from Donny. Oh my gosh. If Donny and Orm win this, they get that triple threat. What a wind-up punch. And now Orm going for a suplex on Blake. Little Matt thrown out of the ring. The beach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, fella!
Oh my goodness, he is just pounding away on Little Mad. Pounding away on him. He wants this opportunity. He wants that GCA title. And he could have it. He could have that triple threat if they can just work together strong enough to defeat Little Mad and the GCA champion Blake. And oh my gosh, the Viking just flew in with maximum force. Head first into the steel goes Blake. Here they are working together in tandem. My goodness. This is incredible. Flying in with the knee. Head into the rock wall. But Blake. Orm is out. Oh, just slammed him down. Not opting for a cover. Oh, Blake gets a clothesline. Down goes Orm, but the beats at the same time. Donny just... He was still going. He is just pounding on Little Man. Blake checking on Little Man. I don't think he's okay. Blake climbing the steps. Donny puts Blake in it. Oh my gosh, double team by Orm. Both of them pounding away. Oh, down goes Blake off the rock wall. What an outrage moment. And a DDT on the ground to Little Mad. Things are swinging in the favor of the Viking and the Irishman. Never thought I'd say that on MWE. And Orm just flies in with a shoulder tackle, but Blake is still fighting on. What a slam through the canvas. Well, Donny is just, oh my gosh, both men down on the outside. Little Man finding it inside himself to just bash in the skull of the Viking. No Viking helmet. Oh my gosh, the Golden Dome headbutt. What a move. Elbow drops outside the ring and another one. What is Little Matt grabbing? Orm is just standing there. Yes, he intercepts the wagon and takes out Little Matt. What a move, and what strike from Orm. Oh, and just smashing the wagon over the GCA champion. And drops the wagon on Little Matt. Wow. They are working together great, surprisingly. We've seen them at each other's throats while they were hunting for treasure. But the real treasure, the GCA title, oh, that was a low blow. Oh my gosh, this is anarchy. This is an outrage. What violence. What are we witnessing in the MWE arena? Spinning golden slam. Oh my gosh. 1, 2. Just a 2 count. Not enough to secure themselves. Not in that triple threat. Trying to stop Blake from having to defend against 2 men at once. Oh, but speaking of 2 men at once, Orm just took out 2 men at once. Oh my goodness. Now helping up his friend. Oh my goodness, what a match. The strength of Orm, but no. Blake went low, but now, oh my gosh, the beats. The beats on the tree. Beats on the tree, the face off. Oh, Little Matt just went flying through. Oh my gosh. Superman punch. Superman punch. Blake fighting. This is just anarchy. Where do I look? What do I call? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. He is just doing the beats. The 10 beats in the background. That's what I'll call it now. As Blake and Orm are just fighting it out. Donny pulling Little Matt by his foot. Oh, he's kicked off though. Blake. A kick by Little Matt. Nobody has the advantage now. What is Blake thinking here? Nothing good. Blake and Little Matt are in danger because in the center of the ring is the Irish Curse. The Irish Curse backbreaker. Pin him, it's over. But he's too distracted seeing what's about to happen to his partner. Oh my gosh, through the steel. Through the fence. Oh my gosh, through the fence. But Donny is just mugging Blake. He wants to steal that title from him. He wants the luck of the Irish. The gold rush. Oh my gosh, the pot of gold that he's been looking for. The double head knocker. Headbutt. Oh my goodness. And into the rock wall goes the Viking. But oh my goodness, he just ran Little Matt into his own friend Blake. And they are both going into the ring. Oh my gosh, a double. The beats of the Bodhrán and the pounding Viking smashes. Oh my gosh. They are on the same page. They might not be written in the same pages in the history books, but the Vikings and the Irishmen, oh my gosh, they are working together great here in MWE. But Blake has survival on his mind, but here comes a Viking out of the sky. Oh my goodness, from Valhalla, from the heights. Oh my gosh, taking out everybody. Little Matt Little Matt wants to fly too. Flying headbutt, taking down everybody, including his friend. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. What an MWE moment. One. No. This Falls Gone Anywhere tag team match has been spectacular, but it is not over yet. It is not over yet. Who is gonna do it? The battle lines are drawn and the war continues. Just battering each other. Mere inches from my face. And the knee to the stomach. Oh my gosh, and the forearm smash and a kick. Blake is down. Oh my gosh, Little Matt could be crippled after that move. But Little Matt is back up now. Oh my gosh, dismantling the legs of the Viking. Blake is trapped under some metal. There is so much happening. They have isolated Little Matt. Oh my gosh, this could be the strategy. If Blake can't move, the muscle of the group. If the muscle can't move, bro kick to Little Matt. This could be it. This could be it. We could be moments away from that triple threat becoming what will happen very soon. It's a choke slam and a high cross at the same time to Little Matt. Blake is trapped. 1, 2, 3. The winners of this match, Orm, the Viking, and Donny O'Shaughnessy. Oh, but Orm, right as I announced that they won,
The title is mine!
Orm strikes. What a triple threat that is gonna be. Who will leave the Chica World Champion?
Enter the future.